Welcome to the try exercise solution for lesson 8 of the basic algebra and full series, which is on the order of operations in algebra. Now for this first try exercise, considering the order of operations, there is no brackets here, there is no order or powers here, but we have the multiplication family here. There's multiplication here, so which means multiplication has to be done first. So based on that, we are going to put our brackets here if we want to put brackets, because this is what we are going to simplify first. The multiplication belongs to 2x, so that's why we are putting brackets here, because it's going to multiply what is to the left of it. So based on this will now give us 10x plus 5 times 2x is 10x, then minus 3x. If we simplify further, 10x plus 10x is 20x, 20x minus 3x is 17x, and that becomes the final answer. For this second try exercise, we have brackets and then we have orders or powers, so we are going to go with the order of operations in that order. So the bracket first, which is 5 minus 3. So this gives us 10 plus 4x times 5 minus 3 is 2. So this is 2 raised to power 2 divided by 2x. The next thing is to do the powers, which is still the 2 squared. While we are doing that, we will also convert our divided by 2x to times 1 over 2x, which is the reciprocal, which is one of the things I said is very important to do in order to prevent confusion. That will now give us 10 plus 4x times 2 raised to power 2 is 4, then times 1 over 2x. What we have left, we have plus and times, and they are not from the same family, so we cannot rearrange or do anything. We have to do the multiplication first. And based on that law, we now have to put our brackets to make it easier for us to simplify. So we put our brackets here. Why are we putting our brackets here? Remember, in the main lesson, the multiplication here belongs to this 2x, multiplication here belongs to 4, and each sign belonging to a term, it is the term to the left of it that it is multiplying. That's why we are putting brackets here, to show that this 4x is multiplying this times 4, and this times 4 is multiplying this times 1 over 2. Simplifying now, x, we cancel x up and down, 2 we go here 1, 2 we go here 2. So this will now give us 10 plus 2 times 4 is 8. So the final answer is 10 plus 8, which is 18, and that becomes the final answer. For this third try exercise, looking at it, we'll start with the brackets based on the order of operations, or the parentheses as those in the US prefer to call it, PEMDAS. And while we are doing that, we also apply the order of operations even inside the brackets. So this gives us, in this first bracket, we have the power 3 raised to power 2, and we have the divided by. So we are going to change the divided by to multiplication and then solve the power. In the second bracket, we will do the same thing. We'll solve the power and then we'll change the divided by to multiplication. So this gives us 81 times 1 over 9, 3 squared is 9, minus 12 times x plus 7 squared is 49, minus 25 times 1 over 5, minus 9 times x plus 40. We also change this divided by 8 to times 1 over 8. So this becomes times 1 over 8 times x. Now we are still looking at the brackets. Based on the order of operations, there is in this first bracket, we have multiplication and minus. Multiplication comes first before minus. So we are doing 81 times 1 over 9. So that means 9 can cancel, and 9 will cancel 81 to give us 9. In the second bracket, again, we have minus and multiplication. Multiplication comes before minus. So we are doing minus 25 times 1 over 5. So 5 here 1, 5 here 5. So this now gives us 9 minus 12 in the first bracket, then times x plus, in the second bracket we have 49 minus 5, then minus 9 times x plus 40 times 1 over 8 times x. Completely dissolving the brackets, 9 minus 12 gives us minus 3, then times x plus 49 minus 5 gives us 44, minus 9 times x plus 40 times 1 over 8 times x. Now all the brackets are gone. We look at the expression again, and we see that the operators there are not siblings. We have minus, we have multiplication, we have plus, and so on. So again, order of operation tells us that multiplication will come before addition. So we have to identify all the ones with the multiplication. This times x, this times x here, this times 1 over 8, and this times x. So what do? Let us put brackets to make it easier for us. So we put brackets here to show that this is multiplying this. And then for this minus 9 times x, we also put brackets here. And if you remember our lesson on removing brackets, when we put this bracket, we have to put plus here to show that the 44 is not multiplying the bracket. The reason why we move the minus into the bracket is because minus can change things if it is outside the bracket. We did all this in removing brackets when we talked about it in lesson 6. So if you are not clear, go back and watch that. So then for this one, minus times 1 over 8 times x. So we have to put our brackets here and here. So this completes what we are going to solve. We solve all the brackets, then we know what is left. So this gives us minus 3 times x is minus 3x plus 44 plus minus 9 times x gives us minus 9x. Now for this last one, we know that 8 here 1, 8 here will give us 5. So this is plus 5x. Collecting like terms and simplifying will give us minus 3x minus 9x plus 5x plus 44. This now gives us minus 7x plus 44. And that becomes the final answer. Now for this last try exercise, we will solve the brackets first as usual, starting from the innermost bracket. So this gives us minus bracket open 24 divided by bracket open 3x plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So we put minus 3. We still maintain the brackets and put the cube. Bracket close. Times 2x squared. Bracket close. Minus 15x raised to power 3. Divided by bracket open minus 3x plus. Now this 16x raised to power 4 raised to power half. If you remember our lesson on power, raised to power half is the same thing as square roots. So 16x raised to power 4, square root of it, square root of 16 is 4. Then square root of x raised to power 4 is x raised to power 2. So we put it x raised to power 2. We've cleared the brackets and we've cleared the power. Then times 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Now we still have brackets. We still have the inner brackets of the first set of brackets. Now this minus 3 raised to power 3. If you remember our lesson on powers, minus raised to power 3. The first two minuses, minus times minus gives us plus. If it now multiplies the third minus, then it becomes minus again. Then for the 3 raised to power 3 is 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So the answer to this particular one will be minus 27. So we write it out this way. Minus bracket open 24 divided by bracket open again 3x minus 27. Then this bracket closed times 2x squared bracket closed minus 15x raised to power 3. Now we change the divided by minus x raised to power 3 because the divided by is beside this bracket. It owns everything. Everything in the bracket owns divided by. So this is times 1 over minus 3x. Then plus 4x squared times minus 3. We still have the first brackets not yet removed. So we go back there. Now, how do we remove this bracket here? Remember that the division sign beside it belongs to everything in the brackets. So if we are converting it to multiplication, everything has to go down. So this gives us minus bracket open 24 times 1 over 3x minus 27 times 2x squared bracket closed minus 15x raised to power 3 times 1 over minus 3x plus 4x squared times minus 3. Now, still on the brackets, now all the operators are the same, times and times. So this gives us minus bracket open 24 times 2x squared over 3x minus 27. Bracket closed minus 15x raised to power 3 times 1 over minus 3x plus 4x squared times minus 3. Simplifying this further, to remove the bracket, the minus will have to go to the numerator. Remember the previous lesson. So this gives us minus 24 times 2x squared gives us 48x squared. So minus 48x squared over 3x minus 27 minus 15x cubed times 1 over minus 3x plus 4x squared times minus 3. Now, at this point, we still have operators that are from different families. We have minus here, times here, plus here, times here. Based on the order of operation, times should come next. So we identify all the operators with the times, which is this. We put our brackets here because times 1 over minus 3x is multiplying minus 15x raised to power 3. So we put our brackets here and remember to put plus here as well. In the same way, this minus 3 owns the times and is multiplying 4x squared. Because it's plus that is beside 4x squared, I can put my brackets here. Now, this bracket, something can cancel out. The minus first, we cancel the minus up here. The x here, we cancel one of these x to change it to x raised to power 2 instead of x raised to power 3. Or if you want to use the law of division with the same base, you can also do that and you get the same thing. X raised to power 3 minus x raised to power 1, which is x raised to power 2. Then the 3 will go here 1, 3 will cancel 15 to give us 5. So this now gives us minus 48x squared over 3x minus 27 plus 5x raised to power 2, because that's what we have here. 5x raised to power 2 is what is left here, plus 4x squared times minus 3 gives us minus 12x squared. So removing the brackets completely gives us minus 48x squared over 3x minus 27 plus 5x squared minus 12x squared. 5x squared and minus 12x squared are like terms. So this gives us minus 48x squared over 3x minus 27 minus 7x squared, and that becomes the final answer. When we get to the intermediate algebra in full series, we will see how to further simplify this using factorization, but this is a perfect answer to stop at. So that's the end of this try exercise solution. If you need more exercises, check our website mathinfo.com. Keep studying, and remember, in mathematics, it's all connected.